Hello student, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture we will discuss about vector product of two vectors. Okay. So let me draw a diagram. This is, let's say, x-axis, this is y and this is z. Okay. So here I am drawing a right hand thumb rule. Okay, so students, the direction in which your finger points and when you go from one direction to the another direction, let's say if you need to take the vector product of vector a and b and it is denoted by cross sign, or that is why it is also called as cross product. So when we take a cross b, means let's say vector a is pointing in this direction and vector b is pointing in this direction. So when you move your fingers, so these are your fingers. Okay, so if you move your fingers from this to this is, let's say, vector a and this is vector b. So the direction that your thumb gives is the direction of the final resultant, which is given by mod A into mod B sine theta into n cap, where theta is the angle between the two vectors A and B and n cap is the resultant direction. Okay. So let's say if the two vectors, the case 1, I am drawing the case when the two vectors are parallel. So in this case, the angle between these two will be 0. So then vector A cross vector B will become 0 because sine theta is 0 then. So in case of parallel vectors, we can say the cross product is 0, or you can say I cap cross I cap is 0, J cap cross J is also 0 and K cap cross K is also 0. Now case 2, I cap cross J cap, so it becomes K cap. Okay, so magnitude of both these vectors is 1 and the angle between these are 90 degrees, so sine 90 is 1 and the direction will be given by K cap. And if you need to find out the theta, that will be given by A cross B upon mod A into mod B. Okay, so this is the sine theta. So now I hope students you are pretty clear about how to find the angle theta when we are given a cross product. Now let's discuss some properties on it. But so this is the distributive property. Let me clear all this. Student, distributive property, what this say is A cross B plus C is, it is same like that we have discussed in dot product. In case of cross there was dot. So lambda times A cross B is lambda A into B cross B is, or A cross lambda B. Okay. And the cross product may also be given by, let's say these are the two vectors a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and b vector is given by b1 I cap b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. So A cross B is sometimes given by, or you can easily find out A cross B in this way: A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. Okay, so I hope that you guys pretty know how to take the product of these quantities. Okay, and we'll discuss also some questions based on it. So I hope students now you are pretty clear about what are vector triple products, vector product, and how to take and how to find out the angle between the two vectors when their cross product is given. Okay, and in the next lecture we will discuss about some questions based on it. So stay tuned for that lecture. Thank you, students. Happy learning. Stay blessed.